Hi everyone, today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to configure the discount rule and price display for your store. Before we jump in, let's take a quick look at the big picture. Setting up B2B pricing in the app is essentially a 5-step process. First, we create a wholesale pricing rule, then a volume pricing rule. After that, we map our customer groups to those rules, display the pricing block on our product pages, and finally, configure how the discounts and prices actually look on the front end. In this video, we are just going to focus on step number 5, that we need to configure your discount rules and price displays so you'll know exactly how your wholesale pricing, volume pricing, and standard Shopify discount codes all work together. So let's get started. Alright, the first thing you have to do is to open up your Smind B2B wholesale app. Take a look at the left-hand navigation menu and click on Settings. You'll see that it drops you right into the Discount Behavior tab, which is exactly where we need to be for this. Focus on Step 1, Discount Combination. This part is very important because it tells the app what to do if a product happens to qualify for both a wholesale pricing rule and a volume pricing rule at the exact same time. Best price for customers, this option is pretty straightforward. The app calculates both the wholesale and volume discounts separately and just automatically gives your buyer whichever price ends up being lower. Stock wholesale and volume options is to apply your wholesale discount first, and then it calculates the volume discount on top of that new lower price. For this video, I would choose the first option to give my customer the best price for them, which means the app applies the single lowest price to the cart, skipping the other rule. Okay, moving on, let's scroll down just a bit to step 2, Shopify Discount Interaction. This handles a really common situation. What happens if a wholesale customer tries to use a regular Shopify discount code at checkout while they're already getting special B2B pricing? B2B discount only is the strictest option. It completely rejects any standard Shopify codes at checkout for these customers. The customer keeps their special B2B pricing. Shopify discount only option triggers when they put in a valid Shopify discount code. The system actually removes their special B2B pricing for that specific order. It will calculate the regular retail price minus the Shopify discount. Without a code, the customer still gets the B2B price. Stock B2B plus Shopify discount, this means they get their awesome B2B deal. The app applies the B2B discount first and then applies the Shopify code discount on top of that reduced price. You can pick the rule you want to enforce for your buyers. If you don't understand the rule, take a second to read through that blue informational box below it for some helpful examples of how your choice plays out. Now that the discount rules are set up, let's move on to how these prices actually look to your customers on the front end of your store. On that same left-hand menu, right under where we just were, go ahead and click on the Price Display tab. First up, you'll see the Storefront Price Display section. This gives you 2 great options to really highlight the savings for your B2B customers. First is the Show Retail Price with a Strike-Through checkbox. If you check this box, your customers will see the original retail price crossed out right next to their special wholesale price. It clearly shows them how much money they're saving. Right below that is the Save badge on the product detail page. Checking this adds a little badge highlighting exactly how much they are saving, like Save 15% or Save $10. Keep in mind that while the strike-through applies anywhere the wholesale price shows, this specific Save badge only pops up on the actual product detail pages. Next, scroll down just a bit to the Currency Format section. This controls how the currency is displayed while they are shopping. You have the option to check Show Currency Code. If you turn this on, prices will display with the standard code. If you leave this unchecked, the app will just show standard prices. Keep in mind, this only changes what customers see while browsing. Once they open their cart and check out, Shopify's standard currency settings will take over. Once you've got everything exactly how you want it, don't forget to save your work. And there you have it. If you've been following along with us, you've officially finished configuring your discount rules and completely wrapped up your B2B pricing setup. I really hope this entire series of video tutorials has been helpful in getting your wholesale store up and running smoothly. Thank you so much for watching.
See you next time.